Since 1963, ATAS International has been a leading manufacturer of metal wall and roof systems. In this video, we will cover basic installation details pertaining to our Winlock series of profiles being applied over a solid substrate in a horizontal application. J-channel is used in conjunction with angle trims where different panels or different materials are being used on the project. This allows for a neat application while transitioning to different products. J-channel is installed on the top of the base flashing and at the transition point to a different material. The angle trim is installed inside the J-channel with the color side facing outward. This will hide the primer finish on the inside of the J-channel. The J-channel is installed alongside the adjacent material and shimmed accordingly. The J-channel will nest on top of the base trim neatly, and it should not exceed the depth of the base trim. In multi-story applications, J-channels should be notched and fitted to allow for expansion and contraction. Trim should be allowed to work independently of each other and not riveted together. Trim should be fastened 2 foot on center with proper fasteners. The starter trim is then attached on the top of the base trim. In this video, the top of the leveled base trim is being used as the guide. For more installation details, please visit www.atas.com.